Hi, and welcome to the English Lab. Have you ever stared at a blank screen trying to write a cover letter in English and didn't know where to start? You're not alone. For many English learners, writing a cover letter feels confusing, stressful, and even scary. But here's the truth: your cover letter doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be clear, focused, and real. Today, I'll show you 5 simple but powerful tips to help you write a professional cover letter that actually gets you interviews. Let's get started. Tip 1. Start with a strong opening sentence. Most people begin their cover letters like this: I am writing to apply for the position of. It's safe, it's polite, but honestly, it's boring. If you want to stand out, grab attention in the first sentence. Try something like, with over 5 years of customer service experience, I'm excited to bring my communication and problem-solving skills to your team. Or, as a certified IT technician who loves building systems that work smarter, not harder, I'm thrilled to apply for this opportunity. The goal is to show confidence right away and give them a reason to keep reading. Tip 2. Don't repeat your resume, add value. Your resume already lists your job titles, dates, and responsibilities. So in your cover letter, don't just repeat that information. Use the space to tell a short story or give context behind your experience. For example, instead of writing, I worked as a sales associate at XYZ company for 2 years, say something like, at XYZ, I didn't just sell products, I created a new tracking system that helped reduce inventory errors by 30%. This shows you're not just listing tasks, you're explaining how you made an impact. Tip 3. Use clear, professional English. You do not need fancy or complicated words to sound professional. In fact, clear and simple English is more effective. Use short sentences and strong action verbs like I managed, I developed, I improved, I organized. Avoid trying to impress with big words. A sentence like this: I facilitated collaborative interdepartmental optimization protocols. Sounds confusing and robotic. Instead, say, I help teams from different departments work better together. Remember, clear equals confident. Tip 4. Match your skills to the job description. This tip is key. Customize your cover letter for each job. Read the job posting carefully. Then, use the same language they use. If the company wants someone organized and good at communication, your cover letter should show exactly that. In my last job, I created weekly reports and managed schedules to keep the team organized. I also trained 2 new team members in communication tools like Slack and Zoom. This shows you're paying attention and that you understand what the employer needs. Don't send the same letter to every company. Take 10 minutes to personalize it. It makes a big difference. Tip 5. End with confidence, not desperation. Let's talk about the final paragraph, the part where you say goodbye. Most people write something weak like, I hope you'll consider me for this job. Or even worse, I know I don't meet all the requirements, but stop right there. Try something like, I'd welcome the opportunity to contribute to your team and would be happy to discuss how my experience aligns with your goals. Then thank them for their time. Simple and confident. No begging, no apologizing. You're showing them that you believe in your value. Now, let's review the 5 tips. 1. Start with a confident first sentence, not a boring intro. 2. Don't repeat your resume. Give context and real results. 3. Use clear, simple, professional English. 4. Match your skills to the exact job description. 5. End with strength and gratitude, not self-doubt. If you follow these steps, your cover letter will be more than just good English. It'll be good communication. And that's what employers really want. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the hardest part of writing a cover letter in English? Have you ever sent one and never heard back? Share your experience in the comments. And if you want help, drop your draft and I might feature it in a future video. If this lesson helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video from the English Lab. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next application.